Good afternoon, everyone. This is David Snook, Vlogger Dude, with another message to the world. The topic tonight is another challenging test for the Kodak PlaySport video camera. We are going to challenge this camera and its product performance by taking it for a swim inside a dishwasher. Here we go. You ready? Let's start. We open up the door. We decide that the silverware tray is the best place for this little camera. So we drop it in, just like that. We close it up. Can't forget about the soap, of course, so we'll get the soap out. Glug, glug, glug. Fill it up here, just like we always do. Close that there. Close this here. There we go. Set the dials. I'll talk to you when the test is over. Okay, I'm back. The dishwasher cycle is complete. So let's check it out. Open up the door. Everything looks very clean, as you would expect. Here is our Kodak PlaySport. First thing you want to do is power it up. Will it work? Yes, we have power. Can you capture video? Let's do that right now. Yes, the red dot is on. You can see that. Therefore, I do conclude that the Kodak PlaySport video camera can survive a cycle inside a dishwasher. That's all for now.